another episode of Cooking with Nanna.
So what are we making today?
Chilli Roti.
Chili roti. Makki di Roti. Okay. So to make Makki di Roti, we need adults' help because why? This here is boiling water, right? And to make the cornbread, we need boiling water to mix into the
Dough.
to make a dough into the flour, right? The corn flour. Okay. Can you see the
Wow.
smoke?
Yeah.
Okay. And Badi Dadi does a special thing. She mixes the dough with a knife. What?
That's actually better.
Why do you think it's better?
Because then the knife will push everything instead of using the hand. Because the hands have gaps like that.
You think the hands have gap? But I think the other reason is also boiling water, right?
It's hot.
Hot. Yeah.
That's why.
Okay, so we got this.
Like a volcano.
Like a volcano.
A volcano is even hotter.
It's even hotter.
Because it has lava and the lava will melt you
You
down
feel
in
how
1
hot the
second.
water is? You can feel the bottom of the pan.
Ouch!
Feel it? Then you will know how hot.
Ouch!
Right? Yes.
I'm not used to showering that much.
I just have to do it longer.
I was going to. Nana, I was going to burn my finger.
We're gonna put it. See, I'm gonna do it. Can you start to do it longer? Fine. I'm gonna try it.
Ouch! Let me
Okay,
try
yes.
again.
Just give it a bit softer.
Yeah, it's
Alright.
very easy.
Okay, so now let me explain
Not
what's
that
happening. We have to put hot water into it to make it a bit crumbly like breadcrumbs, right? So we've just added some
Normal water.
top room temperature water so that to bring the dough together. Oh, look at what did that doing? See? Oh, mine is.
I'm doing it.
Are you?
Mine didn't even break.
But it doesn't look as pretty as that.
Mine is this.
Okay, mine's not too bad. Okay, this is just pressing it down. How are you going to lift it up later? So since I have difficulty doing it with my hands, what I do is a cheat. So I actually just wrap this plastic a little
Wait.
and then I let it over here.
I know it.
Okay.
I wrap it.
Right. Okay, wait a while and then wait a minute. Just put that in the sun, please. And then we just roll it.
Okay, Kitty can move.
So that it doesn't stick. Yes. So there you have it.
Wee.
Ngayon, sino kung pattern dia apa? Different pattern dia. Yeah, that's right. Is this? Yeah. And then,
I wanted to make it a bit of a shape.
yeah. Oh, that's a crescent. You made a crescent.
I'll show you how I'll do
Okay,
it.
how you feel it now? Oopsie.
Take the
Oopsie.
carry out.
No, that's the crescent. Why are you tearing out the crescent? Okay, how about we lift up? Nanna help you? Okay, lift it up. Oh. Oops. Did you eat that?
No, I didn't.
Okay, never mind. That's got a little bit.
Mr. Banana Bag. Wait, should we press it down a bit?
In a minute. Just a minute. Okay, come and try.
Is this a vegetable beef necklace?
Yeah.
Vegetable
Oh, it didn't happen? Did it? It did. Okay. And
Let me
what we do is we will just make some little dents so that we can add the ghee in it. So because you can't use the knife, Nanna's going to do that with you. So you do this. Okay, so do you know why I put ghee? Yeah, so that the spices will stick on it. So what are the two spices we are going to put today?
chili powder and sugar.
And sugar? Salt. You're absolutely right. Okay, Kitty, here you go. You put
Wait.
some salt. Just put a little bit. Let me see how much.
Here.
Oh, that's a lot of salt. Kitty, come. Let me show you how much to put. Okay? Okay, ek minta. Okay. No, aman.
Mr. Banana Man.
Kitty, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, Aman, sprinkle, sprinkle. Hold this and sprinkle. Okay, yeah, you hold my hand. Okay.
Then I go.
Okay. And here we go. And then what we do?
Chili powder.
Okay, chili powder. Aman use
Chili
special.
pada. Chili pada. Okay, did you say
Woo!
chili pada?
You like it? Okay, let's try.
I'm gonna try mine, especially.
Mm.